Hey there, quick review on this door lock. If you want to add some door security to a door, such as you would typically see at a hotel room or something like that, this is going to work really well. Here I've got casing. My door casing is a little bit thicker and it doesn't quite allow the door lock to go all the way up against the door. That's no big deal. It's still going to work just fine once it's screwed in place. It won't allow the door to lock, but just something to keep in mind. It might not fit perfectly, but they make this flange long enough that it's going to go back and you'll be able to screw it onto your door jamb just fine. As long as you've got enough margin in between your door jamb and your door, this will work great. FYI, it is a little bit tricky if you've never used one of these before. To unlock it, you slide it over and it pops out. But the first time I used this, I just was messing with it and I clicked it over and I could not figure out how to get it undone, because no matter how hard you pull on this, it's not going to come undone. You have to pull it down and then it will open. That's the only way it'll work. So it's easy to use once you know how to use it, but if somebody uses this and they aren't familiar with using it and they go ahead and they lock it, if they don't know how to unlock it, they're never going to get the door open. So that is something to keep in mind. It's really easy once you know how to do it, but if you don't and you click that thing shut and you try and pull on it, you'll be trying all day long to figure out how to release it. I guess you just have to be smarter than the door lock, but you got to slide it over and then it'll pop open. So overall, it's a really nice product. It'll work great. It's just the one thing I would say, if you're going to have people trying to use this that aren't familiar with it, they could potentially lock it and not be able to figure out how to get it open. Other than that, if you want some door security, this is going to work really well and ensure that the door cannot be opened or the lock be picked or anything like that.